So it's still the 2nd of January. We've just been down through town to have a look at all the Christmas lights, because we've been here for a few days and we've still not actually got down to see the Christmas lights. So we're just down in Keepers now on the front waiting for our drinks to turn up, because we're off out for Thai. There's a new Thai place opened up down in town apparently, and we're meeting the Brits Living In Spain, Helen, Andy and Bob. They're meeting us down here when they get here, but we've just come out for a beer first, and hopefully they'll be catching up with us shortly. So we'll wait and see when they turn up.
Straight out of it.
No messing.
Thank you. You good? Yeah, yeah, not bad. That's for you. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Right. And what about yours? What we having with yours?
The papaya, what, the
As it is, yeah.
no, not the papaya salad's just a papaya salad.
Yeah.
The pad see prawn.
Yes. That's
Some Thai to be with 3 chilies or less, because it's very spicy.
No, that's good.
Yeah, all right. So one the satay with pork and one some Thai.
Yeah, to start.
Yes.
And then on to main courses, we'll have a pad see with prawn. Gang pet with chicken.
Chicken, yes.
And a larb with pork.
Or sometimes.
Yeah, okay, love, thank you. Something's coming in a minute. I'm gonna get a photograph of yours because it's very good. It's usually really spicy.
I don't know what you order.
Yeah, yeah, spicy.
If you order spicy or not.
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, that's beautiful. Is that good, Bob? That's good. That's pork, that one, isn't it?
Papaya salad's one of the things that I loved in Thailand. It's really refreshing, but it is really spicy. I like papaya.
Oh,
That's really spicy, isn't it?
that's banging. So this place opens in March or May. And I've been wanting to get in ever since because I've seen the photos. They did photos of one of like papaya when I went, no egg. And they said customer didn't ask, said they didn't want an egg. I'm like, for that egg. Yours isn't on. Your mic's turned on. Oh no, it's on.
That's the my chicken Penang curry. And that was I think that was a Thai.
That's a Thai red curry, yeah.
That's a Massaman curry.
It's
No,
not,
it's
it's
not.
a red curry.
Is it? I thought it said Massaman.
No.
No, that's a different one. That's the one potato.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, this has not got potatoes in it.
No.
Extra plate.
Thank you. Oh, that does
you.
look good. That looks really good, yeah.
Oh God.
Then you have the salad lab.
Yes, please.
The
Lamo.
In the middle.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was all.
Yes, that's
Yes.
it, thank you. Idea, but it smells divine. Right, I think I'm going to have a little bit of the pad see ew first.
Right, there's
see what
some.
that's like.
There's some. Rice. I think we have one in.
What did she say? There's no sticky rice.
No, there's no.
No, but there's some rice here as well, so don't worry about having too much.
I'm eating the pad see ew first.
Enjoying that, Andy.
I reckon so.
Proper. This is like get in as you want.
Get in my belly.
Get in my belly.
Right, so we've done the Thai and it was absolutely amazing. I'm filming, we're filming them, filming us. So yes,
1, 2, 3.
there we go.
Yay!
So yeah, I cannot remember for the life of me the name of the place. So, but yeah, something like that. So what we'll do is we'll stick a description and we'll chuck a map in of where it is. So,
Brits Living in Spain.
Huh? But
Hang on.
Brits Living in Spain.
have you been here before?
No, but you've seen me, I've commented a few times on
Yeah,
Facebook.
we came here when it was red blue, so before you, and this is our place in the Silver. You have 2 different YouTube.
Do you have your phone?
Huh?
Do you have your phone?
Oh yeah. Scan.
famous where
Yeah,
we
we
go.
need
But the food is quite authentic for Thai food.
Yeah.
very good.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know the chef's Thai.
Oh,
I've seen the
yeah.
photos.
Oh, yeah.
Me too.
You're Thai, yeah?
You wish.
Yeah, we make the food.
That one. If it can work, I need to do another one.
Oh, but I have seen you. That's why I. Okay, yeah. Now I know. Yeah. So now you have a new member. Oh, thank you.
So, I've been meaning to get here since last year.
Right, they're getting their next travel tip sorted for their holiday because the people here at the restaurant we're in are proper authentic Thai people. So the chef in there comes from Thailand and amazing. If you ever get a chance, come down there. We'll drop a link in the description showing you exactly where it is, so you can find it. But yeah, the food is absolutely amazing. It's definitely worth a trip down here. So.